What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bill. This is Matt. We're here out at Badlands Park, and Matt's going to go run around through these dunes real quick, I think. So while we wait for that side-by-side. Now, people were bombing through that puddle before the last time we were out here, and it looks like it's actually not as deep, but that's up to you. That's also where somebody got sandy water in their alternator and started having problems, so.
I don't think you're gonna be able to do this. Oh yeah. Just back as we go.
Ah! I was just coming back to find you.
Right at that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting out. Fuck this. Fuck this. Nope. Well, and this is how the day is going. Alright, so quick update. We had an issue with Matt Franco. Went through a puddle that was a little deeper than expected. Pretty sandy, pretty dirty mud, and it screwed up the alternator. We got towed back down here. And we're gonna try to see if we can't get it cleaned out enough to where it'll work. If not, then I guess we'll be doing a video on replacing an alternator. So we'll see. We're gonna try to clean everything out, and we'll see if we can get it running or not. And if not, it looks like we'll be doing an alternator.